This is a facade of St. Benedict's Church in Nebraska City. The composition of the windows on this building is symmetrical. You can see a curved top on each one that extends outwards. Each curve is an even semicircle. This view shows a space between the walls of the church and the columns. This is functional as a pathway and also creates a separation between the building and the road. You can see in this angle the pointed arch over the central window. The point is at the center of the building and aligns with many features, creating an arrow to the primary feature. The positioning of the cross draws the eye to it. It's placed at the very top and aligned with the center of the building. This feature would be the easiest to see from afar to identify the function of this building. Viewing the overall facade again emphasizes an overall arrow-shaped structure that leads the viewer to an intentional focal point. Thank you.